You like what you see, right? Now, let's invite our YouTube big sister to teach us how she made us sing. A round of applause, please.
So guys, we will be making use of free AI tools to make our avatar sing. When I say free, I mean absolutely free AI tools. So do well to stay to the end of this tutorial because I'll be breaking it down for you in the simplest way. So let's go. Step 1. For you to get your video, you have to go to TikTok. Yes, you have to go to TikTok and you will search for trending music 2026 trending music. It can be any genre of music, be it Christian or gospel music, be it jazz, be it reggae, any one of your choice, Afrobeat, anyone. But for me, I'm choosing trending Christian songs 2025. Yeah, we just entered the new year. We don't have much trending songs 2026, so I will say 2025. Then I will go to search. I'll pick any music of my choice. Then I will download it to my I will download it, and that's it. So the step 2, you go to your Chrome browser. Yes, go to your Chrome browser. Then you type Cloud Convert. Cloud Convert is an app that will help convert that video you downloaded from TikTok into an audio. You get this particular app will convert that particular video you downloaded from TikTok to audio. So we just click on it and all right. So here it is. You tap on the first one. Okay. So you click on this select file. So you go to your media. This is the video we downloaded from TikTok. So you upload it. So it's uploading. Then you click on convert. So our video is done converting. The next thing you do is to download. Yes, you download it and you go over to the next step. The first free AI tool we'll be making use of is called Lip Sync AI. Lip Sync AI. So you simply go to your Chrome browser, then you type Lip Sync AI. Yes, you type it, then yes, this first one, you click on it. Okay, this particular app is very good in the sense that it gives you credit per day. So what you have to do is make sure you log in every day for you to get your credits. As long as you log in every day, you will have credits to generate as many videos as you want, right? So what we do is to click on this three dot here. Then we have 350 credits already. So you tap on this lip sync tools, this one. Then you see we have different options here. We have AI lip sync, talking photo, AI avatar generator. There are many options here, but our concern for today's tutorial is called singing photo, the last one. So you tap on it, singing photo, right? Good. So you now upload your photo. That's the avatar that you've already created. You tap on this place and select your avatar. So I've already downloaded my avatar, right? So I'll just select it and go over to they have model select. You can choose either the 1.0 or the 2.0, depending on your choice. So you go over to upload audio. You will upload that particular video you downloaded from TikTok, that one you've converted to audio, right? So you tap on it, then you off this enable subtitles. Make sure you off it. Then let's check if our avatar, okay, avatar is ready. So we just simply tap on generate. So we wait for it to generate. All right, our avatar is done generating. Actually took me just 4 minutes to do this. It's actually fast, right? It's actually fast. So let's see what it has for us. This is beautiful. This is nice. This is so nice, guys. Don't you think so? All right, so you just download it to your phone, and that's it. All right, so guys, the second tool we'll be using, the second free AI tool, emphasis on free, right? Free AI tool we'll be using is called Dreamina AI. But before that, we have to download VPN, which is called Thunder VPN. So you can download it from your Apple Store for those of us using iPhone, and for those of us using Android, you can download it with your Play Store. So you just type Thunder VPN. Without downloading this, you cannot make use of Dreamina. You cannot access Dreamina AI. So take notes. So when you type Thunder VPN, this is what it looks like. The very first one. So I already have it installed, so no need to install it again. So you download it, and once it's downloaded, you connect, right? You now connect, and you come over to your Chrome browser. Then you now type Dreamina CapCut AI, and there you have it. Yes, so make sure that your browser is on desktop sites. Make sure it's on desktop site. So mine's already on desktop site. So you go over to this place, Dreamina CapCut AI. Let's allow it to load. So this is the interface. This is the background. So you click on this place they wrote AI agents. You will click on it here. Then we have AI agents, AI image, AI video, and AI avatar. Our concern for today's tutorial is AI avatar. So you click on AI avatar. Then you have these two options. You have avatar and you have voice. So we just click on avatar and import our avatar. All right, here it is. Then I've already imported my avatar here. Then I have to import my audio, that particular song you downloaded from TikTok and converted it to MP3. You have to upload it. So you click on upload audio. You go to your media picker or your sound recording, wherever you saved it. Then you get the audio. This is it downloading. Yeah. All right, so guys, our video is done downloading. Look at that. It was muted because I don't want to have a copyright strike. But believe me, this came out so beautifully, came out so wonderfully. The lip sync, everything. I can't help but laugh. I can't help but be happy. Honestly, you guys should try this out.
Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so this video can reach a wider audience. And also, drop the next video you want my YouTube big sister to make for you in the comment section. Want to learn how to make your baby AI dancing videos? Click on the video showing on your screen to watch. See you later. Bye!